Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wasilah Binti Rahmad and I'm from class 27 of Applied Science in UITM Tampa. My ID is 2022618092. For today, I will give a presentation for my chemistry. It is for my individual task. So my main topic for today is water, or we known as H2O. So what is water? Water is an organic, tasteless, odorless, and nearly colorless chemical substance which is the main constitution of Earth's hydrosphere and the fluids of all non-living organisms, in which it acts as a solvent. So water is the only material in this earth that exists naturally in all three materials, which is solid, liquids, and gases. For liquid, it has a small spaces between the particles and it's arranged very closely and only vibrates in a fixed position, while gas is the opposite of solid. Meanwhile, for the liquid, even though it is dense, it still has a moderate space for the particles and can freely move with each other. So chemical formula for water is H2O, and I'm going to tell about its bond. So each of water molecule contain one oxygen and two hydrogen atom, which is connected by covalent bond, where you can see on the slide. Oxygen have 8 proton and its negative charge of 2, which is need more 2 electrons to have a stable form, where we can get from hydrogen, which has 1 proton and has a positive charge with its positive 1. So to have a stable bond, we need 2 more hydrogen. This also created hydrogen bond when one water sticks to another. So let's further to the covalent bond of H2O. There you can see H2O in a Lewis structure. It has 2 lone pairs and 2 bonding pairs. Then the properties of water in covalent bonds are it may exist as solid, liquid, and gas, as I told you before. Then it do not conduct electricity and also soluble in organic solvent and insoluble in water. Now I'm going to tell you about the molecular geometry of H2O. As you can see on the slide, a water molecule consists of 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to an oxygen atom, and its overall structure is band. This is because the oxygen atom, in addition to forming bonds with the hydrogen atom, also carry 2 pairs of unshared electrons. So all of the electron pairs share and unshare its repel to each other. And the hydrogen bond angle is about 104.45 degrees. Now, is H2O is a polar? The answer is yes. It is because H2O bond in the molecule are identical and the bond dipoles are equal in magnitude. But the bond dipoles do not directly oppose to each other and therefore it do not cancel to each other. So lastly, I'm going to tell you about the hydrogen bond of H2O. Hydrogen bond has a special interaction between the hydrogen atom in polar OH bond and the electronegative O. Hydrogen bond is intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces are the attractive and repulsive forces that arise between the molecule of a substance. And other than that, a hydrogen bond also need a higher strength to break the bond. For example, H2O, which it need 100 degrees to reach water boiling point. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching.